Government is not my God. Government is not my God. Just Soludo. Your governor is not your God. He's my God. He's my God. How are you trying to go on? You will be people who put a government abroad God. First of all, in my favorite government, you don't go on research. In my favorite government, in the purpose of government. Let me tell you something. Actually, me a little bit how government function because the reason Nigeria were expected that the government will go because it matter the purpose of government. It got the purpose of government. It matter that you one year we are him alone. Do you understand me? Let me express something to you. Are you aware? It's you know now. It's you know kita na. No way being well na. Maọbụ na obi gị akịta maọbụ ya father's land na ahụ ife dị ka any mineral resources ebe ahụ, be it gold, diamond, tin or any other mineral resources or even oil, ị ma na ya apụ na obi gị ahụ. So the God dị in charge enwe ike ịbịa take over that your land, Nigeria. Are you aware that in the government is there to protect you? Government is there to keep you law and order. You understand me? Government is there to manage our economy and our resources and the society. Government is there for you to be obedient and obey the law of the country, including that your native doctor, including Reverend Father, pastors, every one of us. Now, if I want to explain something to you. Ọ bụ kịta na-etu nọkịta na igbuo mmadụ ọ bụ na onwere onye mmadụ wee jekwuo Reverend Father to confess na igburu mmadụ. Agwa ma Reverend Father will not report it to the authority. Ife ọ ga-eme bụ na ọ ga-enye gị ekpere agbaghara gị njọ gị. But if eventually one day that thing will leak, are you aware that Nije Konga, the God in charge, will sentence you? I don't know if you get my point. Let me break it more a little bit down for you to understand. The Almighty God of government. And will any other God on outside? More than you go save yourself so in some certain things. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now the mini God by was your father bear God to you. Your mother is also a God to you. Because so gamologe, ndoge, bonaka fakot, facho apichega kanim. But the reason why if I man to pichiga kanimia because you know a higher God or the above that their parents. And the reason why how man you because of getting humanity. They all get my point now. Now, opposite eventually if I made that kind of thing, apichega kanim, government to find it out. That's a higher God that way now come. Unwaga ungewa moriao. Gị nwa bụ nne bụ galitu lebo gị nwere pen niile afọ gị na-azụ nwa afọ gị na-echetu ya gị na-akụrụ otu dị nwa mana ọ bụrụ gị nwere nwa afọ ụkọkọ nwa afọ ije nga in the western world bụ ebe the government is working properly. Do you understand me? A na-ana parents nwa afọ inwe the higher authority, the higher God will come take away the child from you. So mgbe a na-ekwu gọọmenti ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara ife eji agwa gị na gọọmenti bụ God pụtaba ebe afọ pụtaba dị because I think that na o nwere ike that your religious mentality, that your religiousness can disturb gị. Are you aware that na o nwere law ji gị na ị na-apụrụ na commit suicide na gọọmenti find their out na o nwere punishment a ga-enye gị gị nwa godo nwa onwe gị na ị na-achọ igbu onwe gị? Are you aware of that? Ngwa gị na God gị bụ gọọmenti nọrọ a na-acha echiche onye nwe gị nwere ife niile inwe bụ ya God, onye ya na-agwa gị ife etu esi wee bi ndụ gị, onye debere law gị nwa ga na-obe. Law government is supersede that Bible law, supersede Ogboni law, supersede Kankan law, supersede Gaddafi law, supersede any traditional law. Do you understand what I'm saying? So Mjana Agwage that my government is your God who sit down and reason like human being. And I got that. Sit down and reason like a human being. All government get long life and prosperity. All government get men of poverty. I allowed in a society more poverty get reduced. Oburo Jesus any amadioha. All government get making a prosperous. Na country gị ọ bụrụ deity ka o ji abụ Jizọs wee any imaginary God nọ outside here ị na-eche na o nwere ebe God nọ, o nwere God ọzọ nọ anywhere karịa the government a mụ na gị na-abụ na afọ ga-abịa izuzu kịta afọ apịawa gị ezigbo azụ, fada gị izuzu ofe apịarie fada gị azụ, nwa dibịa anya nzuzu ofe egbuwa nwa dibịa anya nzuzo azụ, igwe bụ nzuzu ofe egbuwa igwe bụ azụ, emi abụ nzuzu egbuwa emi azụ, ọba bụ nzuzu egbuwa ọba bụ azụ. Do you hear my point? If you don't know what is government, you go and study about the government. Often and all human being. That's why you are a captain of your own. You are in charge. If you make the wrong move, it go correct. You make the right move, it will favor you. As simple as that. God don't anywhere God save go. I may preach the reality of life. Man, I can be at the angle of religious belief. But that God, that football government is supersede any law now back that religious belief. Do you understand what I'm saying? When we are in target, for example, now you are a God to half. Fusion half, if you half gabo, get one guess away plan. Mobo get one guess away design here. Manamala man and half abulong one. Osega man and one half and abulong like no bullock give one half. In actual sense, you won't mboso ga call that one. Yota.